Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the DJI Mini 5 Pro, an ultra-light and foldable drone that's designed for beginners but packed with features that even experienced pilots will appreciate. I've looked through the specs, tested the core features, and gone through online impressions so you don't have to, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you whether this is a drone worth buying or just another gadget. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. First, let's talk about portability. One of the biggest advantages of the Mini 5 Pro is how lightweight and compact it is. We're talking about a drone you can literally fold up and toss into a backpack or even a larger jacket pocket. That's perfect for travel, hiking, or spontaneous outdoor shoots. Despite its small size, DJI has managed to pack in some seriously advanced features that make it feel like a professional-grade drone. Speaking of advanced features, the camera is one of the biggest highlights. It has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is massive for a drone this size. That sensor allows for crisp, high-quality images and video with excellent dynamic range, even in low-light situations. Paired with the 225 degrees gimbal rotation, you get extremely versatile shooting angles, capturing unique perspectives that older drones simply couldn't manage without complicated setups. Whether you're filming a scenic landscape, urban exploration, or action shots, this drone makes it surprisingly easy to get professional-looking footage. Safety and intelligent flight features are another area where the Mini 5 Pro shines. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the drone can detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, reducing the risk of crashes even for beginner pilots. Add ActiveTrack 360 degrees, and it can automatically follow subjects from almost any angle, keeping them perfectly framed while you focus on creativity rather than worrying about collisions. These features are huge if you're new to flying drones or if you want more cinematic shots without complex piloting skills. Connectivity and range are impressive too. With a 20 km transmission range, this drone can stay connected and deliver stable, high-quality video over long distances. Combined with the compact design and strong battery life, it's ideal for longer flights, aerial photography, or scouting locations without constantly worrying about losing connection. Flight performance itself is smooth and intuitive. The Mini 5 Pro is stable in moderate wind conditions, responsive to controls, and surprisingly agile for its size. Beginners will find it easy to learn, while experienced pilots will enjoy the responsiveness for more advanced maneuvers. And because it's lightweight, it doesn't require a complex registration process in many regions, making it hassle-free to fly legally. Of course, no drone is perfect. While it's powerful for its size, this is still a small drone, so extreme wind or very rugged conditions can challenge stability. Also, high-level professional cinematographers might want larger drones with bigger sensors for ultra-high-end productions. But for most users, travelers, hobbyists, and beginners, the Mini 5 Pro offers more than enough performance and features. So, after reviewing specs, testing its camera, flight, and safety features, and checking feedback online, the big question: should you buy the DJI Mini 5 Pro? If you want a portable, beginner-friendly drone with a powerful 1-inch camera, versatile gimbal, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, long range, and intelligent tracking features, then yes, this is absolutely worth considering. It's an all-in-one package that makes flying and filming fun, safe, and incredibly accessible. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what drone or tech you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.